Oppo has officially confirmed the launch date of the Oppo Reno 16 series in China, scheduled to debut on May 25th. And this is the first look Oppo Reno 16 Pro, feature metal frames. Oppo is also set to introduce a new accessory for the Reno 16 series called the Bubble. The accessory appears to attach to the back of the phone and features a circular display. This rear-facing screen is likely to function as a viewfinder, allowing users to frame selfies using the main rear cameras. Reno 16 Pro arrived with a larger 6.78-inch 1.5K OLED panel with 120Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate support. The Reno 16 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset. Feature a triple camera setup consisting of a 200-megapixel Samsung HP 5 primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera. A 50MP ultra-wide selfie camera as well. Reno 16 Pro pack a 7000 mAh battery with support for both 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. China, expected to range between 4,000 Chinese yuan and 5,000. Reports suggest more variants could arrive globally later, including a Reno 16 Pro Mini and Reno 16C. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.